All right, here we are. This is, what day is it? Friday, September 12th. And Hurricane Ike is just a little bit away from us. And I think right now the winds are 105 miles an hour. It's in Galveston. Everything here looks a little, it's kind of starting to sprinkle a little bit. And I've got Wes. Hey, Wes. And there's Nellie and Lacey eating some soup. Wave. Anyway, this is kind of a video diary of the big storm. All right, here we are. This is our team. The cavalry has shown up. Here we are. We're ready for. This is, what time is it? Now 5:52 on Friday night. The electricity still works. Everything, no big deal right now. Everything's fine. And we're just kind of looking at the whole crowd, people that are here. So anyway, Danelle is still cleaning house. We're having a lot of fun. Okay, here's one of our problems. We have these windows. See, look at those windows. Dude, would you check those windows out? Yeah. And JB's going up there to tape them up. And then what do we... Thanks, Danelle, for putting the other B word on the video. Here we go. Okay, so we've got a new plan. Here we are. And we have moved in the bedroom. We have a chase lounge, 2 big chairs, our bed, and there's a couch over there. Wave at us. There you go. Good. Awesome. So
they all have to go home now.
This is where all
Cushions over the balcony on my head.
on your head.
Jose.
Walk the plank. Walk the plank.
Luann, is that your first?
We're having fun.
I would love a Snicker bar.
Hey, here we are.
Do you have those?
I'm going to the convenience store.
Can you see everybody? Kind of pan around the room there, Wes.
Doritos and some.
I'm going to look
Kind of look over this way. See everybody over here. Yeah. You talk about the we are piled up. We are piled up. Here we are. The next chapter. What time is it? It is 10 o'clock on Friday night, and we're here waiting on Hurricane Ike. Bring it on.
The water now is
Hey, here we are.
There at Clear Lake. It's about 12.5 feet on the outside of Galveston Island. And it's about 12 feet at Bay.
220.
That's why the water came up on
220
the backside.
or 130. 140.
We've got this dome of water.
140.
And it's up to about 12 feet now.
And lights have finally gone off. We fired up the generator.
On the backside of the island.
And it's in full bloom. The storm's still about 60 miles southeast of Galveston, so we got a long ways to go. Long ways. Let me see what everybody looks like. Now they are. Got our fan set up. Everybody wave. Not much excitement now. Come on, let me hear a big shout out. Watching movies. This looks horrible, doesn't it? Oh boy. All right, later.